Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. If you are a business owner and you're really looking to manage your profit and your loss, consider going solar, especially if you're in Texas. In Texas, we have these significant advantages of having a lot of sun and a lot of real estate to capture that sun. Most people don't realize, if they're business owners, that you could subsidize up to 40, 50, 60, 70% of your entire solar system that's a commercial system just through the federal tax incentives that are available. We're looking at bonus depreciation, where you could depreciate that asset all at once in one fiscal year instead of having to break it out year after year. We're talking about a 30% federal tax credit, which is based on your taxable income, your tax liability, and your business income, being able to take that and put that money back into your business. We're talking about credits for Buy America, for Buy American made products, for energy community. We're talking about certain communities that are disadvantaged. There are so many incentives, if you are a business owner, that you could really take a look at your entire electric profile and how much money you're spending month to month in energy bills and say, what would it cost for me to put in my own generation system on this huge roof that we have, or in this back lot that we don't use with the ground mount, and have that offset by the federal government incentives up to 60, 70% in some cases. Imagine what that would do to put money back in your pocket. There's not a lot of advantages for us business owners out there when we look at federal tax incentives. We have very few options, but this is one option that is incredible. It's an incredible value. This is something that is available to you if you own a business, if you own the real estate that your building is in, that your business is being run out of. Reach out to us. Give us a call. Contact us. We'll walk you through all of your commercial solar incentives. We'll walk you through all the different options for pricing, and I think you will really be impressed with what's available and how affordable it is to go solar, and how much money we could put back into your Texas business so that you can continue to invest in this wonderful state and help drive our economy. Thank you so much, and God bless.